What's good, YouTube? It's the Chevy Kid here, back with another video. I'll be discussing a problem I had with the turn signal lights in the front. Alright, so the issue is that when I had on the headlights, the turn signals on the left-hand side would stay solid, and I fixed that, but my fix might not be your fix. There's one reason why it does that, but there's two different fixes that you can do, and I'm gonna show you the one I did. You see here, now my headlight switch is pulled all the way out, and this blinker stays solid. Alright, I'm gonna turn on the turn signal. Oops, hold up. Engine is not in run position. Alright, boom. Alright. You see how slow that is? And look, this was even slower. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna show you how to fix that, or at least how I fixed it, and I'm gonna discuss another fix that you guys could do. Alright, so real quick, the issue is that this light bulb socket will go bad. Alright, I pulled this one from a junkyard C10 because I thought mine would need replacing, and then I didn't want to spend the money on a new one. I thought getting it free from the junkyard would save me a couple bucks because I am on a tight budget. But usually the problem is that this ground wire goes bad, or it becomes dislodged in the socket, and that was my problem. So if you look here, this light bulb socket, all it was that this wire right here was loose, right? And I pushed that all the way in, and that solved my problem. Now if you come back, you can see that the problem is gone, right? Blinks normal. Blinks normal. It's not solid no more, right? So that's really the only way that could go bad, is this turn signal, is the ground wire to it is going bad, or the whole socket as a whole. So that you might just have to replace the whole socket. So basically, how would you replace the socket? You can go to any auto parts store and get one, or you can do like I do and go to the junkyard and find one and hope it works. But what you do is you just twist it in to see if it will work. Don't solder it up right then. But basically, you would take the wires and attach them to the corresponding wires in your wiring harness and solder it up, or electrical glue, whatever you choose to do. And that's your fix for the headlights. So if it stays solid down here on this side and it blinks slow, that's your problem. That's your problem. That's the way to fix it. See, I removed the wire again, so I gotta go ahead and stick that all the way back in there, and I'm gonna glue it up later. But that's how you fix the issue. Let's see, hold on. Boom.